Hello, John Lampe here from Green Shoots. This video is a quick introduction to our Precision Foam Weedkiller Kit. This is a new product for the 2022 Mid-States Hoedown Trade Show. What is foam weedkiller? Let's look at it in use, and I think you will quickly see its potential. Here's a bull thistle, a non-native thistle that's growing in a lawn. To treat this thistle, I used our Precision Foam Weedkiller kit. This kit is compact, but it contains enough material to treat over 250 weed trees of 3 inches in diameter. It could treat thousands of small thistles. Here's a video clip where I apply the foam weedkiller to the center of the bull thistle. Note how precise the application is. Bear in mind, too, that the weed killer used here is non-selective, meaning if the weed killer touches the grass, it would kill that too. After 8 days, I returned to the spot where I treated the bull thistle. As you can see, the thistle is dead with no harm to the grass surrounding it. This is why foam weed killer is the ultimate in precision, visibility, and effectiveness. Precision. The foam weed killer can be applied to very small surfaces, such as this cut stem of a Canada thistle. Visibility. The blue color of the foam and the full-bodied nature of foam makes the foam weed killer easy for the user to spot and know what has been treated. Effectiveness. Let's look at some examples of the effectiveness of Green Shoots foam weed killer. This is the thistle rosette you saw earlier. Note especially how even just a small dab of foam weed killer can be devastatingly effective. A common problem for gardeners is the presence of weeds growing amongst desirable plants in planting beds. This is where your typical spray herbicide performs the worst. Here's an example of crown vetch growing in a planting bed. With Green Shoots foam technology, just bend the stem and apply a little foam weed killer to the bent stem. As a result, you have a complete kill of the crown vetch with no damage to nearby desirable plants. Foam weed killer also works great for cut stump treatments, as shown here in this treatment of common buckthorn. Our Precision Foam Weed Killer Kit is distributed to retailers by Prince Corporation. If you have questions about retail sales of the kit, contact Dan Orr. If you have product questions, feel free to contact me, John Lampe. Thank you so much, and see you at the Mid-States Hoedown.